Does baby get evil eye? Many families believe that babies easily get the evil eye. When a baby cries suddenly or falls sick, people often say it is because of nazar. But is this really true? Let's understand this topic step by step with truth and reality. What is evil eye? Evil eye is a traditional belief. It means that someone's strong look, jealousy, or attention can bring bad effects to a baby. This belief exists in many cultures and has been followed for generations. What elders believe? Elders say that evil eye is real because they have seen such experiences in life. We should respect their beliefs and feelings. But at the same time, it is important to understand what science says. According to medical science, there is no scientific or medical proof that evil eye causes illness in babies. Doctors explain baby problems through weak immune system, exposure to germs, environmental changes. Why babies fall sick easily? Babies are still developing. Their immune system is not strong, so they can easily get cold and cough, fever, stomach issues, skin rashes. This is normal in early life. Too many people around the baby. When many people touch the baby, hold the baby, kiss the baby, germs can easily spread. This can make the baby sick, which may look like the effect of evil eye. Overstimulation in babies. Babies can feel uncomfortable due to loud sounds, bright lights, crowded places, too many new faces. This can cause crying, irritation, and poor feeding. Common reasons for sudden crying. A baby may cry because of hunger, sleepiness, wet diaper, gas or stomach discomfort, feeling tired or scared. Crying does not always mean something bad has happened. Do rituals and totke work? Practices like black dot, lemon and chilies, black thread are part of cultural traditions. Scientifically, there is no proof that these rituals protect the baby. However, if they give mental peace to parents and do not harm the baby, there is no problem in following them. But rituals should never replace medical care. What is the best protection for a baby? It's important. The best protection is not rituals but hygiene, care and awareness. Now step by step protection. Wash or sanitize hands before touching the baby. Do not allow kissing on the baby's face or hands. Limit visitors, especially for newborn babies. Keep baby clothes, towels and bedding clean. Maintain proper feeding and sleep routine. Protect the baby from loud noise, bright lights and crowds. Ensure timely vaccination as advised by the doctor. Consult a doctor immediately if the baby has fever, continuous crying, poor feeding, breathing difficulty, rashes spreading quickly. Do not delay medical help thinking it is evil eye. Now final truth is babies do not get sick because of evil eye. They get sick due to germs, weak immunity or discomfort. Understanding the real cause helps parents protect their baby better. Now conclusion is respect traditions but trust science. The real protection for your baby is cleanliness, care and timely medical help. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for my baby care videos. Thank you.